For what value of x would make this polygon a parallelogram? Well, for this one, we know that the opposites have to be congruent. So 70 has to be equal to x. That's the only way for this to work. Next, these are consecutive, and we know for a parallelogram, the consecutive has to add up to 180. So 3x is equal to 180. Once you divide by 3, I think x has to be equal to 60. Yeah, right? 60, 120. Yep. This one, these are also consecutive, right? And then, so x minus 10 plus x plus 10 equals to 180. 2x is equal to 180, so x is equal to 90. This was 80 and this was 100, right? So those are all the values of x such that will make this quadrilateral a parallelogram.